Hello, I just tried the new latest Yolo family AI, artificial intelligence for object detections from camera. So I found that this new Yolo V5, which is maintained and developed by the Ultralytics, is very quite easy to use and is fantastic for normal PC. Yeah, it can hit at least 30 something FPS, and the resource is good for i5 PC and with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphic card. So this is my testing, and I found that it's quite handy to train. I tried using the yuan bao, which is money in ancient Chinese society. This is the plastic one, which is for decorations. So I trained it to make the AI can recognize it. So I found that pretty good. So if you're interested, then you can click the link to know how to train the Yolo V5. And if you want to discuss, so you also can contact me. So we can discuss it in detail. Okay. Bye.